Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to install VLC Media Player on PC. So, let's get started. First, open a browser and go to videolan.org/VLC. And you can see like this. Click Download VLC. Now, I'm redirecting to download. It will be downloaded shortly. Download it. Now, I'm downloading the file. It's finished downloading. So, open the setup file. Click Yes. Choose Program's language. After that, click OK. Click Next. You can read license agreements. After that, click Next. You can choose components. After that, click Next. You can choose Install location. If you want to change it, click Browse and choose a place. I won't change it, so, click Install. Now, I'm installing VLC Media Player. It's finished installation. You can check or uncheck Run VLC Media Player. After that, click Finished. It's all done. Thanks for watching.